So now we're going to talk about the mower. So what's included in the mower package?
Yes, of course, we have the mower.
Yes.
And we have the charging station. We have the power supply. And we have the low voltage cable and the screws.
The mower is built on the current existing 550 model, but in the front you have amber headlights. The top cover is divided into one front part in orange and one rear part in grey. And in the back there is a lid above the start button.
And as you can see, the middle part is also a bit higher than the ordinary 550, and that is because we have the EPOS antennas below.